What's up everybody? Welcome to Bonsai Den Haag. Today I'm gonna give you an update, spring update of my garden. So I did a lot of work here, as you can see. I clean up, moved all this ground and level up that part over there so that the trees can be nice leveled and then straight. So, and then after I did everything, you can see it in the time lapse, I placed the benches. I cleaned with water pressure all the old tiles, and then I placed all the bonsai on the benches. So I reorganized all the trees on the bench. On top I put all my junipers, all the conifers over there, except the taxus, they are here, and all the deciduous trees I have here on the lower benches. So as you can see, everything is growing well. I did the repot of the blue atlas. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. And here I have all the trees growing. I put this one here. This one I have a lot of videos. I put this one now here on below an extra pot so that the roots can grow underneath. Here I have the wisteria is coming out, the big juniper, looking very good. The smaller junipers over there. My Acer palmatum over here. The one tree is growing better than the other one, to prune it a little bit. My ginkgo is coming out really nice. I'll probably put this top branch over here so that we can create a new top part here, and I might do something nice with it, like this part over here. The Sabina juniper over there is nice, growing, very vigorous. The other pine, apple tree, is in bloom. Very nice little apple tree. And I have this crazy elm here growing like crazy. I will do a nice video about this one pretty soon. And I have a few trees that I want to do a repot this year. This Texas, the monster Texas, it's just starting to come out, so I need to do the repot very soon. I left it a little bit dry so I can do the repot probably today. And I have this tree over here with the air layer that I need to take out some pretty soon, but I think I will leave it until September to take it out. And also the air layer over there, and also this pine I need to do a repot because it's moving a lot and this box is broken, so I need to put it in a nice pot so that it can grow correctly. This tree is doing really well, looking beautiful in this small container. I have one flower over here, and I might get another push of flower in one of those little branches. Let's see how it goes. This taxus is growing well, but the pot is so small that I had to put a few stones here so that the wind doesn't blow over. Piracanta this year looks like we'll have a lot of flowers. Fire thorn looking good. And I also want to repot my Passione juniper. If you haven't seen the first styling of this tree, go check it out. Every branch is still here. I took the wire off last year and left only the bottom part with wire, and now I have enough foliage, enough growth to do a nice repot. And for those who saw the video that I collected the trees, I have my silver birch from the collected also growing like crazy over here. I might do a video soon about this tree where I do the first styling, a bit of the placing some branches, but for now I still need to let it grow so that this can be at least 1 or 2 centimeters bigger, that the taper, so that I have a nice taper on the tree. So this is all a little bit temporary. I will let a nice professional make the fences and make the garden nice. I'll build a tokonoma outside here that I can show the trees, but the layout will stay the same because on the back part I have the most sun, so all the trees will go in benches on that side. So if you have any questions, don't forget to ask on the comments. See you next time in Bonsai Den Haag.